How do mountain lions maintain stable population sizes and genetic diversity? Mountain lion territoriality ensures a generally stable abundance of individuals in any given area. Males do not generally tolerate other males in their range, and females are similarly territorial with other females. Although cougars will sometimes tolerate close relatives overlapping their range, their territoriality, coupled with large home range sizes for both sexes, results in low population density and a relatively stable abundance overall. Dispersal occurs when a cougar leaves the territory of its mother to establish a new territory, sometimes in very faraway lands. The process of dispersal can be much harder for subadult male mountain lions because they must travel greater distances and face greater danger from intraspecific strife, conflict between mountain lions that is often deadly, than females whose presence is more often tolerated by other cougars. Successful dispersal contributes to higher genetic diversity in two ways. First, and most importantly, when dispersers come into a population from a different one, they can bring added genetic diversity if those populations are genetically differentiated. The other way is by reducing opportunities for relatives to breed with one another, which can occur in areas where mountain lion populations become isolated by roads and development, and dispersal is frustrated. In Southern California, mountain lion populations in the Santa Ana and Santa Monica Mountains cannot effectively disperse due to urban development and highways that separate them from adjacent natural areas. Inbreeding has led to dangerously low genetic diversity in these populations. Extinction risk for these mountain lions is comparable to that faced by Florida panthers, Puma concolor corii, an endangered and genetically isolated cougar subspecies in the southeastern United States in the early 1990s. In this situation, Texas mountain lions were translocated into the region to prevent extinction from inbreeding depression. Translocation is financially costly, dangerous for the animals, and was used as a last resort to prevent the extinction, and it should not be viewed as a universally applicable solution to the problems faced by isolated mountain lion populations. Although there are similarities between what happened to the Florida panther and the situation facing some isolated mountain lion subpopulations in Southern California, there is one big difference between the scenarios. In California, there are still other viable populations in the state that could potentially be connected to those that are isolated, while the cougar population in Florida was and still is the only one that exists in the eastern United States. Since there are substantial populations of mountain lions persisting in the West, conservation experts currently recommend increasing habitat connectivity in the region to promote natural gene flow through dispersal rather than importing mountain lions from other areas.